Hello and good morning, friends. It's another beautiful day. Let's go ahead and get our day started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to stand up and we need to say the Pledge of Allegiance. Remember, put your hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now to the side. I am somebody. Say it with me, okay? We're going to say it all together. I am somebody. I will succeed. In school, in life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. Heads up, friends. In case you're wondering what that noise is, anytime that you hear it, it is the bunny at my house. I have a bunny rabbit, and he is making a lot of noise today. All right, we're going to move on. So that means we need to stand up, and we're going to do our days of the week.
Monday, get your monkey on, your monkey on, your monkey on. Monday, get your monkey on, your monkey on, your monkey on. Days of the week. Days of the week. Tuesday, get your T-Rex on, your T-Rex on, your T-Rex on. Roar, roar. Tuesday, get your T-Rex on, your T-Rex on, your T-Rex on. Roar, 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 roar. Days of the week. Days of the week. Wednesday, get your walrus on, your walrus on, your walrus on. Walrus, walrus. Wednesday, get your walrus on, your walrus on, your walrus on. Walrus, walrus. Days of the week. Days of the week. Thursday, three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth. Thursday, three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth, three-toed sloth. Days of the week. Days of the week. Friday, get your fishy on, your fishy on, your fishy on. Friday, get your fishy on, your fishy on, your fishy on. Days of the week. And days of the week. And Saturday is okay to bark like a dog. Saturday is okay to snort like a hog. And Sunday is the one day to chill with your chinchilla. Go ape like a gorilla with the ants and the antilla. It's always such a thriller. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Okay, now that we have sang our days of the week, now we need to do them in order. Are you ready? Okay. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Okay. So, friends, yesterday, let's talk about the name of the month. I'm sorry. The name of the month is November. It's November. So it is November. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. And tomorrow will be Thursday. Good job, friends. Okay, so it is Wednesday. So now we need to count to find out what the date is. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Today is Wednesday, November 18th, 2020. All right, friends, what's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? What is the weather like today? Okay, so remember, we're doing thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no, thumbs down for no. Okay, so let's see. We start with, it is raining outside today. No, it's not raining outside today. It's not raining outside today. All right, let's see. It is cloudy or foggy outside today. No, it's not cloudy or foggy outside today. Okay, it is sunny outside today. Yes, it is sunny outside today. It is another sunny day today on Wednesday, November 18th. Alrighty, friends. So we're going to move on now to our nursery rhyme. Let's say it together one time, and then we'll watch the video for it today. Ready? Okay. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Alright, friends, now that we're done with our nursery rhyme, we need to move on and do our counting. Ready? Okay. We are going to count to 15 today. So let's start with 1. Ready? Do it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good job. Okay, now we're going to count back from 10 though. So let's start with 10 and we're going to count back to 0. Ready? Oh, and if you want to get your rocket ready, now is the time. So get that rocket ready. And we will do blast off. Ready? But not till we get to 0. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0! Nice job, friends. Okay. Let's move on. Today, we're going to do a review of shapes, so let's go ahead and watch the shape song. Now remember, sorry about that, I didn't know it was playing. When we do this song, remember, you need to make sure you are tracing the shapes, okay? So arms straight out, tracing those shapes as we say them and do them, okay? All right, perfect. Let's go.
shapes and solid shapes, we see them all the time. Now I will say a shape, I want you to say it too. We'll play the shape, name, game, that is what we like to do. Circle,
Circle.
circle,
Circle.
square,
Square.
square,
Square.
triangle,
Triangle.
triangle,
Triangle.
rectangle,
Rectangle.
rectangle,
Rectangle.
oval,
Oval.
oval,
Oval.
diamond,
Diamond.
diamond,
Diamond.
heart,
Heart.
heart,
Heart.
star,
Star.
star,
Star. Shapes have names, they're made of angles and lines. There are flat shapes and solid shapes, we see them all the time. So just as a review, friends, our shape of the week last week was a triangle. Yes, it was a triangle. So let's do a quick review. A triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 corners or angles. 3 angles. Nice job. And our color of the week last week was black. All of the things on this page are black. Our color of the week this week is orange. It's orange. So that little fishy is orange. And these bowl of oranges are orange. And pumpkins are orange. And, ooh, it's just a cute little fishy. Oh, I think it's taking me somewhere. Hold on.
School! Wake up! Wake up! Come on, Kristen! School!
I want to go to school. 5 more minutes.
Not you, Dad. Me!
Nemo!
Time for school! Time for school! Time for school! Time for school! Boy, oh boy, oh boy! Whoa!
Nemo.
That orange fish down there is called a clownfish. And clownfish are what color? Orange mostly, but they also have some what? There's another color on there. White. They're white and orange. Nice job, friends. And our shape this week is an oval. It's an oval. A football looks like an oval. This mirror is an oval. This watermelon looks like an oval. And eggs, when they're laying flat, look like little ovals. Nice job, friends. Kiss your brains for working so hard. All right. And last but not least, we have the alphabet. So we need to say the alphabet together today. I'm going to move all of this up so that, there we go, so that we can see it and me at the same time. Okay, today we're going to clap through the alphabet. Are we ready? So for every letter, we're going to do 1 clap. Ready? Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, nice job, friends. Well, that brings us to the end of circle time for today, Wednesday, November 18th. My friends, you have a super fabulous day. Be nice to mommies and daddies. Practice your coloring while you're at home. Coloring on coloring pages or just drawing pictures. Remember, we're holding those crayons with a pinch and a rest. A pinch and a rest. Let me see. Oh, there we go. That's a little bit better. A pinch and a rest when we're coloring, so that we just pinch it and then it flips back and we can write. Yes. So let's practice that today, friends. Have a super wonderful day. I miss you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Mwah!